Today we're looking at SP2 silicone-based puncture repair. Before we get started, let's always follow OSHA and local safety requirements when working on roofs. Always plan your work in advance. This includes products and tools needed to complete the project. Another consideration is weather. It can impact the installation and proper curing of APOC products. Additional information on weather requirements can be found at apoc.com. Single-ply membranes are easily punctured by maintenance crews, birds of prey, and storm debris. Let's look at a better way. To start, always clean the surface. A light pressure washing or scrubbing may be required. Using a roller, apply APOC 296 single-ply primer to the repair area. Once primer has dried to the touch, lay out and cut the APOC fleece top incredible tape. Starting at one end, remove the release liner and press into place over the center of the puncture. Use a hand roller to work the tape in and ensure a complete bond. Using a trowel or chip brush, apply APOC 581 Armor Flash to the surface of the tape. Apply APOC 581 Armor Flash a minimum of 1 inch past the tape in all directions. Now your APOC SP2 silicone-based puncture repair is complete. For additional information on energy efficiency, maintenance coatings, liquid applied roofing, visit us at apoc.com.